Creating multiple aspect ratios for Etsy printable wall art can take hours manually. In this tutorial, learn how to generate multiple print ratios and resize printable artwork quickly using ResizeFlow in minutes instead of hours. If you're an Etsy seller creating printable wall art, you know the struggle of manually resizing every single piece of artwork for your digital downloads. ResizeFlow is designed to solve exactly that problem. Let's dive in. Start by uploading your design, whether it's a JPEG or PNG. Here, we're using a cute baby unicorn illustration as our example. Once it's uploaded, you'll see the dimensions and aspect ratio right here. This is the foundation for all the variations we're about to create. Now, here's where the magic happens. Instead of manually resizing, you can select from a huge variety of standard print ratios. We've got ISO series, 2:3, 3:4, 4:5 ratios, and even squares or panoramas. For this bundle, we're going to select all the standard sizes. This ensures your customers get exactly the size they need for their gallery wall sets, which is a huge boost for customer satisfaction. Next, you can choose how the artwork behaves when it's resized. We'll use the stretch to fit options for this image. And if your original file is a bit small, just toggle on AI upscaling to keep everything crisp at larger sizes. Now, let's generate the previews. In just a few seconds, ResizeFlow processes every single one of those 30-some sizes. Take a look at this. You can now review every output to make sure the cropping looks exactly right before you finalize the package. It's honestly satisfying to see them all lined up like this. You can click into any preview to see it up close, whether it's an A0 poster size or a smaller 4x6 print. The quality remains consistent and professional. No more guesswork or distorted images. Everything looks perfect. So let's download the full printable pack. ResizeFlow bundles everything into a perfectly organized zip file, sorted by ratio. While it processes, the system handles the high-resolution rendering and upscaling in the background. This is where you save hours of repetitive manual work. Just sit back for a moment while it finishes up. And there it is. Hit save, and your entire product bundle is ready to be uploaded to Etsy. The download is finishing up now. Think about how long this would have taken in Photoshop or Canva. Uploading once and getting over 30 files is a total game changer for your productivity. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Everything is organized into folders by aspect ratio, making it incredibly easy for you and your customers to find the right file. Inside each folder, you'll find the exact dimensions you selected, all set to 300 dpi for high-quality printing. Whether your customer needs a 2:3 ratio or an ISO standard size, you've got them covered. Just look at that clarity. Even at these large scales, the upscaling ensures every detail of your art is preserved. You're delivering a premium product with a fraction of the effort. This workflow helps you create professional printable art bundles faster while saving time on repetitive resizing tasks. If you regularly create printable art bundles faster while saving time on repetitive resizing tasks, if you regularly create printable art bundles or Etsy digital downloads, explore ResizeFlow at resizeflow.com. Happy selling!